Welcome back. We have now explored each of the major sections in cPanel, giving you a full picture of being able to manage your domain and your hosting together. For example, you can manage your entire website system through the File Manager system, and we walked through that process. You can access your website through FTP accounts. You can create different configurations of your domains as well as to have them forwarded. And you can create unlimited websites for your business. You can actually route those emails to an email address that you are watching. You can monitor that email address through your spam assassin as well as through your filters. We walked through each of the metrics, showing you how you can measure what's happening on your site all the way down to AWSATs, which gives you a visual measurement. We've walked through the process of helping you to keep your site secure through IP blocker and hotlink protection. And we've shown you different applications and how you can install them using Fantastico and the site software system. You've also seen the advanced section where you can utilize the cron jobs as well as customize your error pages. And if you want to make changes to the appearances and any other information with Fantastico, you can do that through the preferences system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.